Hello my little friends, welcome to Gaming Queen. Today we play puzzle with the cutest animal in the whole world, cats. This is Candy Cat. She has a beautiful blue eyes, green hair. Hello Candy. This is Danny Cat. Danny has yellow eyes, green, white hair. He is having some sunshine time on the deck. Hello, Danny Cat. This is Lydia Cat. Lydia Cat is very friendly. Oh, where's your face, Lydia? Here we go, we found your face. Your beautiful eyes. Hello, Lydia. This is Lily Cat. Lily Cat loves to be beautiful. She always stands in front of the mirror. See how beautiful she is. Hello, Lily Cat. You are the most beautiful cat. Here is Rebecca Cat. She loves to pose for camera. Hello Rebecca, you are a supermodel. Thanks for playing the puzzle with me with the cute cats. See you next time my little friends.